Take a ride in the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.